January 1st, 1983. The world woke as it always did. Streets hummed with the ordinary rhythm of human life, coffee brewing, buses clattering, newspapers hitting doorsteps. And yet somewhere in sterile rooms lit only by the glow of blinking terminals, a quiet revolution was taking shape. A revolution not heralded by fireworks nor by speeches or marches. It was invisible, silent. A shift so profound that no one outside these rooms could grasp its magnitude. In that moment, the ARPANET, a web of computers used by researchers and the military, switched to a new protocol, TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. Two strings of letters that would become the skeletal framework for the network of networks. For most, it was nothing more than a line in a technical log. For humanity, it was the birth of a new consciousness. The Internet was born. No one cheered. No banners waved. There was no immediate recognition of what this meant. Yet, in that instant, the invisible threads began to weave a new reality, a reality where information would flow faster than any train, any post, any thought could travel before. Where ideas could leap continents in seconds, where the walls between cultures, between minds, began to dissolve. Humanity was being connected not through steel and stone, but through light, electricity, and code. Imagine the computers, bulky, humming machines with no personality, no voice. No life, learning to speak to each other. They exchanged packets of data, not with conversation, but with a language of perfection, TCP/IP. It was a language designed to endure, to persist, to connect everything and everyone, forever. That day, the protocol was switched and the first handshake of the Internet was silently completed. Somewhere, a message traveled from one corner of the network to another, and for the first time, a digital connection spanning multiple networks worked flawlessly. And that connection, infinitesimal, almost invisible, carried within it the seed of a global revolution. Think of it. Before this moment, computers were islands in a vast ocean of potential knowledge. Researchers could only communicate with those who had access to the same network. Collaboration was constrained by distance and medium. And then with a single, almost unnoticed change, those islands became an archipelago, a continent, a world. The TCP/IP handshake wasn't just a technical adjustment. It was the moment humanity decided that knowledge should flow freely, that communication should transcend geography, that ideas could ripple across the globe like waves. It is hard to overstate what this shift meant. Within decades, billions would find themselves connected, holding the sum of human knowledge in the palms of their hands. Ideas, art, love, commerce, conflict, all of it streamed through this digital bloodstream. Borders became irrelevant. Distance became